Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Joe and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. This is my first actual video, so I hope you like this video. Quick unboxing of this leatherman knife, and yeah, let's get to it. Here's the knife, the box, sorry. This is the box, nothing really interesting. Here you see the name of the knife. I don't know if you really can see this. Focus. Yeah, Creator C33Lx. Let's open this. Nothing inside the box. No. This is the knife. The knife, when it's closed, the blade length is 2.6 inches. The weight on this is 2.36 ounces, and when it is closed, it's 3.94 inches. The handles is glass filled nylon, 60%, like they said in this. And pardon me, because I'm reading from the website. And they have a like 25 years warranty. And this particular model have, I don't know what they call this. This works as a flipper. So when you do like this, it's supposed to be open. Oh, sorry, I hurt myself. When you do like this, it should open. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, works well. Surprisingly. You have a thumb stop, so you can open it like this. And I suppose you can open it like this. Yeah. Yeah. So smooth, man. So smooth. And in the back you have a pocket clip, and this is removable. You cannot adjust it. It's one side, right hand side pocket, clip down. And let's taste the sharpening on this. I don't know if I have paper over here or not. Yeah. This is all freaking paper that I don't need. Let's see. Oh, it's sharp, man. Oh, sorry. It's sharp. Oh, that's surprisingly. It cuts easily, even with the serrations. Very easy. Here you have, I don't know if you can see this. Come on, man, focus, focus. Focus. I don't know if you can see this. Let's see, c33Lx written right here. Let me see here, leatherman. Let's see it now. I will play with this knife couple days, and I will show you and I will tell you my opinion on this knife. And for now, I really like this knife. It's so smooth, man. It's opened very easy. Yeah. See ya. Peace.